Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cordless electric screwdriver that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT 4V USB Rechargeable Screwdriver. The DEWALT 4V USB Rechargeable Screwdriver is a small rugged driver that lives in a drawer and works like a pro. It comes with 12 bits, an LED work light, and flex drive control to prevent cam out. The compact shape fits tight corners, and the ergonomic handle helps reduce wrist strain. I use it for quick cabinet repairs and hobby builds. It charges from any USB port and returns steady torque for light to medium screws. If you want a reliable tool that often leads lists for the best cordless electric screwdriver, this DEWALT is a strong pick. Moving on, at number 4, we have the SKIL 4V screwdriver with a 45 PC bit set. The SKIL 4V screwdriver packs a lot into a small package and includes a 45-piece bit set and carrying case. Circuit sensor technology prevents motor damage and senses load to protect the driver. USB charging and a compact form make it easy to carry for odd jobs. I use it to build shelves and tighten hinges. The wide bit selection handles many screw types. For those hunting the best cordless electric screwdriver to cover many tasks, this SKIL model gives the most bits and broad utility for the price. At number 3, we have the SKIL 4V mini screwdriver. This SKIL 4V mini screwdriver is a simple, pocketable driver with 9 bits and a bit holder. It offers USB charging and a slim stick form that fits tight places and drawers. The modest power level suits electronics, small furniture, and quick fixes. I rely on it for screen mounts, toys, and light assembly. It won't replace a drill, but is ideal for small jobs. For shoppers seeking the best cordless electric screwdriver for light work and portability, this SKIL Mini gives neat value and convenience. At number 2, we have the SKIL Twist 2.0 4V Pivot Head Screwdriver. The SKIL Twist 2.0 adds a pivoting head and torquey settings to a 4V USB driver with a 28-piece bit set. The pivot head helps reach awkward screws, and torquey settings reduce stripping. USB-C charging speeds, top-ups, and the kit includes a carrying case for bits. I like the flexible head for tight corners and cabinet interiors. It feels like a small, smarter tool. For users who want the best cordless electric screwdriver with pivot action and torque control, the Twist 2.0 balances price and practical features. And finally, at number 1, we have the SKIL 4V cordless screwdriver SD561801. The SKIL SD561801 is a compact 4V driver that includes 9 bits, a bit holder, and a USB cable. It focuses on easy handling and reliable control for small tasks. The simple layout and lightweight make it a handy companion for everyday fixes. I use it when I need a quick driver without fuss. It handles screws on fixtures, toys, and light furniture. If your search centers on the best cordless electric screwdriver for routine household tasks, this SKIL model is practical, light, and tidy. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.